In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Webflow project efficiently and seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, knowing how to integrate multimedia can really enhance the visual appeal and interactivity of your web design. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to ensure you have Webflow open and ready to go. If you're already logged in and working on a specific project, that's perfect. Once you're in, direct your attention towards the left-hand toolbar. Here, you'll spot the Add Elements tab. Clicking on this tab will unfold a variety of components that you can incorporate into your site. This is a crucial step as it opens up the possibilities for customization and creativity. Now it's time to scroll down through the list until you locate the Video option. Webflow categorizes its elements intuitively, so take your time to explore and get familiar with what's available. Upon finding the video element, it's as simple as clicking on it. This action will prepare the interface to accept a video source. At this point, you have the freedom to paste the link to your desired video. Webflow supports various platforms, but a popular choice is YouTube, given its accessibility and the vast variety of content available. So simply, grab the URL from your YouTube video of choice and paste it into the specified field in Webflow. After pasting the link, you'll want to hit Enter. This step is crucial as it confirms your video choice and embeds it into your project. And just like that, your video is now part of your Webflow creation. No extra frills or complex maneuvers needed for this straightforward task. Webflow makes it incredibly easy to integrate video content, thereby allowing you to add layers of engagement to your website. Now that you've successfully added a video, consider customizing it further. You can adjust the size, positioning, or even add design elements around the video to help it blend seamlessly with the rest of your site. Bear in mind that while some basic knowledge is beneficial for more sophisticated stylings, Webflow's intuitive design interface provides ample opportunities for experimentation. In conclusion, adding a video to your Webflow project is a simple yet impactful way to elevate your design. Whether for educational purposes or to showcase content, video remains an effective medium to connect with your audience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has empowered you with the confidence to work with videos in Webflow. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and watch your website come to life in ways that captivate and engage visitors. Until next time, happy designing.